My name is Benny, and today I'm going to be making my favorite variation of a Mai Tai. Now, Trader Vic didn't put this spin on it, and I'm not sure who did originally. I can't take credit for it, but I'd like to show you my way of mixing up the Li Hing Mui Tai. Now, Li Hing Mui is a spice. It's made from ground preserved plum. Originally from China, it's referred to as the traveling plum. Now, that's an appropriate name as it's made its way around the world, and it's very popular in Hawaii. I did make this syrup myself, a Li Hing Mui syrup, made from 1 tablespoon of Li Hing Mui powder, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, simmered down and bottled up. As it's cooling, I do like to add 1 ounce of Bacardi Silver or another neutral spirit, just to help keep things preserved a little while longer. So, recipe for the Li Hing Mui Tai as follows. It is going to be 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, ½ ounce of orgeat, now I'm going to add a 1/4 ounce of amaretto to help bring out the almond flavor of the orgeat. That's actually synonymous with ½ a tablespoon. Next, I'm going to add a ½ ounce of orange curacao. Now, I am going to be using De Kuyper for this particular recipe today. I know a lot of people would probably use something like Pierre Ferrand or something along those lines, but I'm not Thurston Howell III, so I'm using this stuff. I know it's cheap, it might not be the best, but it's the brand that bartenders trust. After that, I am going to be adding a full ounce of Li Hing Mui syrup. And the rums in this one today are going to be Plantation 3-Star Light Rum, 1 ounce. And then I'm going to add 1 ounce of Bacardi 8 just to funk it up a little bit. Now, I always like to have all of my garnishes and glass and ice situation ready to go. Typically a Tiki cocktail of this nature would take pellet ice like this. However, I like to serve mine over a big cube, such as this. So, I'm going to add just a couple of standard size cubes to my shaker. I'm going to go with 4. Help get that all frosted down. Shake it up for about 30 seconds. So nice and frosty. Now I always like to add my ice at the end for a nice, consistent, even dilution with all of my cocktails. Take off just your tippy top. Get out the big cube. Give a slow pour over that. Nothing more satisfying than seeing that slow pour over a big cube. I like serving this one over a big cube because it allows for a slower dilution. It kind of helps the Li Hing Mui to retain the fullest flavor and dance on your tongue a little longer. It's got this nice, sweet, yet kind of savory saltiness to it. There's a lot of sugar in there, but the Li Hing Mui kind of tarts it up, I guess. If you are looking for big cube trays, I typically have to get these silicone ones. Pretty easy to find. I will say you will have to perform full assault on it to get the cubes out. However, I find it to be worth it. Well, that concludes this video. If you enjoyed what you see, please like and subscribe.